Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. Just a short video on these hinge pin braces I produce. Just want to make a video to show you how it's meant to be installed. There will be two options of inserts available. One is with this offset. The inserts are hexagonal, so they will allow 8 positions for adjustments. And there will be this insert without adjustability. So if somebody decides not to cut off these pivot blocks here, he don't have to. He can use this also, which will reinforce the pivot blocks. Okay, now the front hinge pin brace have these slotted holes which will allow for small adjustments on the lower back. So it's like a part of the J parts 3, only a little bit shorter, because there is absolutely no need for the long pins to go all the way around to the back. Okay, here. So basically you put it on this side and screw, sorry. You have to be careful not to scratch this beautiful new carbon deck I got from Nick. Important here is not to tighten the screw all the way down, because you need a little adjustment there before tightening everything up. I forgot to put the insert inside, but I can do it this way. I will do that off camera, sorry. Okay, so I put the insert in place here. Now for the rear brace, I choose maximum anti-squat. So on the rear brace, this is the upper side, this is the lower side. I choose the lowest position there. Sorry. Here it is. And now we have to insert these pins here and here. Now the arms. And then the rear hinge pin brace. And now we're gonna screw this here. like this, and now we turn around, check if everything is moving free, and now we're gonna put pressure here like that, and then secure all together with these 2 screws. And that's basically it. Now we have full anti-squat on both sides, and that's it. I hope you like it, and stay safe. Bora.